Level 2 Fitness Instruction. Principles of exercise, fitness and health. The importance of healthy eating. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the common dietary sources of the key nutrients, explain the dietary role of the key nutrients, explain the importance of adequate hydration, describe the National Food Model Guide, describe key healthy eating advice that underpins a healthy diet, describe the energy balance equation, explain the health risks of poor nutrition, and explain professional role boundaries in relation to offering nutritional advice. Common dietary sources of the key nutrients. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be divided into two categories, sugars and starch, sometimes referred to as simple carbs and complex carbs, depending on their molecular structure. They provide the body with energy. Sugar can be found in fruits and sweets. Starch can be found in bread, pasta, potatoes, vegetables and rice. Our carbohydrate food sources also contain dietary fibre. Fibre provides bulk. This enables the smooth passage of food and waste products along the digestive tract. Dietary fibre can be found in whole grain foods, fruit and vegetables. Protein. Protein is broken down into amino acids. We refer to these as the building blocks of life. They help to transport important substances in the blood. They're also responsible for growth and repair of human tissue. Animal sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, dairy produce, and eggs. But we can also source protein from vegetables, including grains, cereals, nuts, and beans. Fats. Fats form an important component of cell membranes. They help the body to use the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. They provide insulation under the skin. They provide protection for the internal organs. They provide energy and a means of energy storage. And they make up a large part of the brain and the spinal cord. We can divide our fat sources into three categories: saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, and polyunsaturated fat. Our saturated fat sources include meat, eggs, dairy products, and coconut oil. Our monounsaturated fat include olive oil and avocados. Our polyunsaturated fat include oily fish and sunflower oil. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are formed by plants and can be attained in the diet by eating the plants. Minerals occur naturally in the soil and are drawn into the plants. Fresh fruit and vegetables, meat and dairy produce all contain different types of both vitamins and minerals. Colour and variety are therefore important factors in making food choices. Vitamins and minerals are vital for normal growth, repair and daily functioning of the body. The importance of adequate hydration. Since water is found both inside and outside of the body's cells, there must be sufficient quantities present in order to support life. The UK national guideline is 6 to 8 glasses a day, or 2 litres. However, the amount of water required will depend on varying factors. For example, environmental temperature, body temperature, humidity, the amount of physical activity, and respiration rate. The UK National Food Model. The Eat Well plate was developed in the UK to serve as a simple visual guide to aid the public in planning a menu. It provides an alternative illustration of the similar basic guidelines around food and nutrition found within the US food pyramid. The Eat Well plate is accompanied with some basic guidelines. Base meals on potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, or other starchy carbohydrates, choosing whole grain where possible. Drink plenty of fluids, 6 to 8 cups or glasses a day, or 2 litres. Eat at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables a day. Eat fish at least twice a week, 1 oily. Choose unsaturated oils and spreads and eat in small amounts. Eat foods that are high in fat, salt and sugar less often and in small amounts. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives such as soy drinks and yogurts. Choose lower fat and lower sugar options. The energy balance equation. The key to effective weight management is the ability to maintain an energy balance. For example, the amount of calories consumed are equal to the number expended. If the number of calories consumed are greater than the number of calories expended, then this would lead to weight gain. Health risks of poor nutrition. Poor nutrition can lead to a number of different health risks. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, stroke, coronary heart disease, some cancers, dementia, lethargy, depression and stress, menstrual irregularities, osteoporosis, infertility, and eczema. Professional role boundaries in relation to offering nutritional advice. Fitness instructors may offer generalised advice on the components of a healthy diet for a normal, healthy individual. Where an instructor is faced with more serious diseases and ill health beyond their scope of practice, it is vital that they refer the client onto an appropriately qualified and registered dietitian or nutritional therapist. These professionals will be able to analyse and test correctly to determine specific nutrient deficiencies, and also prescribe food and supplementation accurately to overcome and promote optimal health. Can you now identify the common dietary sources of the key nutrients? Explain the dietary role of the key nutrients. Explain the importance of adequate hydration. Describe the National Food Model Guide. Describe key healthy eating advice that underpins a healthy diet. Describe the energy balance equation. Explain the health risks of poor nutrition. Explain professional role boundaries in relation to offering nutritional advice. For more health and fitness education, visit stormfitnessacademy.co.uk.